Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Casita Center School in Vista, California. This is my second visit to their campus for 2024-2025. I got to speak to the AM, PM students again, K through 5 students and staff right here in this room. And the focus for today's presentation, a brand new one, was on perseverance, and the sub-theme was have a growth mindset, right? And so when we talk about a growth mindset, like you see on the screen right here, this is something that we want to have. Right? Fixed mindset, is someone that's kind of just staying in the same spot, not really willing to grow, not growing at all, and just has kind of a more negative attitude, right? And just some of the examples where a fixed mindset might be, I'm not good at this, but a growth would be, I haven't learned this yet, right? I'm afraid to make a mistake, the fixed side, versus mistakes help me learn. And moreover, with all of this, it comes into this idea that no matter what we're going to face, and we're going to face some difficult things in our life for sure, we're going to embrace those challenges and realize that those are opportunities that are going to help us grow stronger, right? If we let them. And that's where the perseverance piece comes in, right? That we push, we persist until success happens, that we don't give up, that we don't quit, that we know if we make a mistake that we're not a mistake. And like Albert Einstein said, if you're not making mistakes, then you're not learning or trying anything new. It's okay to make the mistake, it's okay to fail as long as we learn from it, as long as we continue to keep growing, right? And so through a series of interactive exercises that we did, some inspirational videos, the positive poem at the end talking about how we all are somebody, I really tried to also reinforce this underlying focus of believing in ourselves, right? Having that self-belief, that self-respect, being kind to our mind. This is almost like my positivity assembly part 2, basically. And that's why, I talk about, not only the fact that we're all true miracles and bringing up that concept again and again, but the fact that we are somebody, and nobody can make us feel like nobody unless we let them, right? And chances are the people that might try to make us feel like that, they still need love, they still need support. And we know that part of, having this growth mindset is not just us, shifting our vision and our mentality here, but then it's going and, spreading that kindness to others, right? Being kind to ourselves, but then also pushing that to the people around us. And to know that these students, the head nods, the couple that shared their hearts with me after, even talking about going through something difficult currently in their life, it really touches my heart because I realize that they're taking this message to heart, right? And of course, I wear this shirt for this assembly as well, to keep your head up. The words are upside down on purpose, so if you're looking down or feeling down, it's a reminder to keep your head up, right? To keep thinking positive no matter what. And for the students to really buy into that concept again and again, and know that, even in the 30, 40 minutes that I get with them during these sessions, that something truly inspirational is coming out of it. That's what motivates me, to keep doing what I'm doing. I had a student come up to me and say, why do you do this? I said, because of people like you. Another student, even a kindergartner, just saying, I feel like what you had to say, is how we start to change this world. And that all of us play that important part, in doing so. And I said, yeah, that's awesome, that a 5-year-old is, believing this and going out and already starting to live that. That's what we're doing. That's what we're trying to do. And so hopefully that touched your heart as much as it did for me. Thanks again for the opportunity. We'll see you all again in a couple of months. Until then, though, and as always, have a great school year, a couple of months until then. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button. You'll see it pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.